Still with us to discuss the drama over in Europe from Hong Kong is Mark Tinker from AXA Investment Managers. Mark, there's a great Bloomberg story describing what happened over Theresa May's lunch in Brussels, interrupted by that phone call from the head of the DUP over in Ireland. I'm going to ask you the obvious, but surely this latest hurdle means that striking a deal before the end of the year just got much more difficult.
I can't deny that. I think the interesting thing is at least people are now accepting that a deal has to be struck. We've been in this kind of curious situation for the last year or so where a lot of people have been saying, well, maybe nothing will ever happen. I think the recognition that they are moving on to negotiate things, I think, is quite important, whether it's by the end of this year. As you say, I don't think we're going to get anything conclusive. But this is politics, and the fact is you have got 27 countries negotiating. It's like trying to negotiate a trade deal coming from the other direction. You know, Canada took so long to negotiate a deal because there's 27 different sets of vested interests. And obviously very important in this border issue is Ireland, which is a member of the EU. Obviously has strong concerns about the border with Northern Ireland, as does the UK. So this is focused on a specific issue. We knew it was coming. I'm sure it will be resolved, but this is as a markets guy, we just have to sit here and wait for the politicians to come up with something that we can then try and incorporate into our views of how things are going to pan out. But until that is resolved, there's not really much we can do except spectate.